the ERTC Tax Credit Program, New York, for New York City, New York State. The Employee Retention Tax Credit is available to all New York companies. The ERTC Tax Credit Program for New York has provided substantial relief to New York businesses impacted by COVID-19, with up to $26,000 per employee available in refundable payroll tax credits. Companies across multiple industries have benefited from this program. Fortunately, the ERTC Tax Credit New York has emerged as a lifeline for local employers during this difficult economic period. With millions of workers in New York, the ERTC Tax Credit Program represents a multi-billion-dollar stimulus program for the state. Thousands of New York companies are eligible across diverse industries. The ERTC was created by the CARES Act in March of 2020 to incentivize retaining employees during pandemic shutdowns and slowdowns. This valuable tax credit is available to New York businesses that meet certain criteria. Here's what New York employers need to know about the ERTC Tax Credit Program. Eligible employers can claim the ERTC for retained full-time, part-time, and seasonal workers. Both for-profit and nonprofit entities in New York can potentially qualify based on experiencing a revenue decline, operational loss, or supply chain issues. This tax credit program allows New York companies to claim ERTC tax credit refunds retroactively. The amended rules now state you may still be eligible for up to $26,000 per employee, even if you participated in the PPP, the Paycheck Protection Program. The deadline for amending returns has been extended until April of 2025, but you should take action now as many businesses are filing for this tax credit program, and it will take some time. This is not a loan or a government handout. This is a refund of money your business already paid in payroll taxes, and your business may be eligible to receive up to $26,000 per employee. The reality of life is you're busy running your business, and this process has to be done correctly by an ERTC specialist in New York. Why not let the people who are ERTC specialists handle the filing and paperwork for you? It's important to note that it's worth checking out the ERTC Tax Credit Program even if your accountant says you don't qualify. There have been new updated rules put in place, and it costs you nothing to find out if your business can get thousands or even tens of thousands back in tax refunds. But beware of scammers. If the ERTC company you're working with wants you to pay up front, run the other way quickly. That's why I recommend these ERT specialists. They are former IRS agents that know how to file all the paperwork properly, and you don't pay for this service until after you've been paid. Click the link below this video to find out if you qualify for the ERTC Tax Credit Program in New York and claw back some of the payroll taxes you paid in 2020 and 2021. And that link will take you to this page here that will give you a quick rundown of your potential ERTC amount. Put in the W-2 employees you had in 2020 and the W-2 employees you had in 2021, and it will show your potential ERTC amount right here. And remember, do not pay for this service up front. Those are scammers. You do not have to pay for this service until after you have received your refund check.